Imagine transforming your iPad Pro M5 into a full-blown workstation with just one accessory. Today, we're unlocking the best mouse picks for that power shift. Welcome back to the channel. Check the links in the description to find the exact match for your workflow and elevate your productivity instantly. The number 7 product on our list is INFINMIND Bluetooth Mouse. The INFINMIND Bluetooth Mouse feels like it's built for creators who value precision, silence, and style all at once. From the moment it glides across your desk, its smooth motion and adaptive scrolling make every move feel effortless. The metal roller scrolls with near-silent control, perfect for editing, designing, or long reading sessions on the iPad Pro M5. Its ergonomic build fits naturally in the hand, reducing fatigue even after hours of work. What really stands out is its triple device connectivity. Switching between your tablet, laptop, and phone with a single click feels incredibly seamless. The adjustable DPI levels offer pinpoint accuracy, whether you're navigating spreadsheets or sketching digitally. Compared to others in its range, INFINMIND nails balance, powerful performance, comfortable design, and a battery life that lasts for months. For those who want an everyday mouse that quietly boosts both productivity and comfort, this one makes every click feel smarter. But number 6 is XBG B15 Pro Bluetooth Mouse. The XBG B15 Pro Bluetooth Mouse feels like the definition of modern precision. It's fast, sleek, and designed for people who expect more from their gear. From the moment it pairs with your iPad Pro M5, everything feels instant and fluid. The tri-mode connection switches between devices in less than a second, making multitasking effortless, whether you're working, editing, or sketching. Its LD status display gives a clear, futuristic touch, showing DPI, battery, and connection mode at a glance. The clicks are whisper quiet, yet satisfyingly tactile, perfect for late-night sessions or shared workspaces. The ergonomic design supports long hours without fatigue, while the matte texture keeps your grip steady and sweat-free. Compared to other wireless mice, it simply feels smarter and more refined. Its rechargeable battery and Type-C port mean less waste and more convenience. For anyone seeking performance with elegance, this mouse delivers effortless control with every glide. At number 5 is SUNGI Bluetooth Mouse. The SUNGI Bluetooth Mouse brings together silence, elegance, and comfort in one sleek design that feels made for the iPad Pro M5 experience. From the first glide, its smooth motion and whisper-quiet clicks create a sense of calm focus that's perfect for night work or shared spaces. The built-in rechargeable battery removes the constant worry of swapping cells, giving you weeks of use from a single charge. Its slim, lightweight body fits naturally in your hand, while the adjustable DPI settings ensure pinpoint accuracy for both work and creative tasks. The Bluetooth 4 connection feels instant and reliable, cutting out messy dongles and clutter. Compared to bulkier models, SUNGI's mouse delivers that rare mix of portability and precision, making it a perfect travel and desk companion alike. If you want something effortless, silent, and stylish to pair with your tablet or laptop, this one simply feels right. At number 4 is MMK Bluetooth Mouse. The MMK Bluetooth Mouse instantly grabs attention with its futuristic spiderweb glow and polished silver finish. It's not just a tool, it's a statement. Designed for people who value both style and silence, its smooth clicks and anti-fingerprint surface make long work sessions feel effortless. The built-in rechargeable battery brings peace of mind, freeing you from the constant hassle of battery changes. Its smart power-saving mode automatically rests when idle, while the 7-color lighting adds a vibrant touch to your setup. Performance-wise, it's incredibly responsive, with adjustable DPI levels that let you fine-tune precision whether you're editing photos on the iPad Pro M5 or navigating complex workflows. Compared to other options, it feels smoother, quieter, and more refined. Compact yet powerful, it easily fits in your travel bag, ready for work or play anywhere. For users who crave elegance, comfort, and smooth control, this mouse simply delivers balance and brilliance. The third one on our list is AIKOKok Bluetooth Mouse. The AIKOKOK Bluetooth Mouse feels like the perfect mix of modern design and everyday reliability. Sleek, silent, and surprisingly smart, Its dual-mode connection makes switching between your iPad Pro M5 and laptop effortless, while the stable Bluetooth 5.2 link keeps every movement smooth and precise. What stands out most is its calming LED breathing light, creating a soft, ambient glow that adds personality without distraction. The rechargeable battery brings peace of mind. Just 2 hours of charge powers days of work, while auto sleep mode conserves energy when idle. The silent clicks and fingerprint-proof matte surface elevate comfort, giving it that premium touch many overlook. Compared to other options, it feels lighter, more responsive, and visually cleaner, perfect for work, travel, or creative sessions. It's not trying to be flashy, it's built to make your workflow smoother. For anyone seeking quiet precision with a touch of style, this mouse nails the balance beautifully. On number 2 is TENMOS Bluetooth Mouse. The TENMOS Bluetooth Mouse feels like the perfect balance between performance and personality. Sleek, colorful, and impressively smooth. From the first touch, its silent clicks and fluid motion deliver that satisfying precision every iPad Pro M5 user craves. The dual-mode connection makes switching between devices effortless, turning multitasking into a seamless experience. What truly stands out is its gentle RGB glow, a soft, shifting light that adds a touch of life to your workspace without distraction. The rechargeable battery saves both hassle and cost, while auto sleep mode quietly preserves energy when you step away. Its slim design feels natural in the hand, lightweight yet steady during long creative sessions or workdays. Compared to other models, it offers a livelier aesthetic without compromising comfort or accuracy. For users who want a mouse that performs flawlessly and looks stunning while doing it, this one brings both elegance and ease to every click. Now, moving to the last one is Logitech M240 Silent Bluetooth Mouse. The Logitech M240 Silent Bluetooth Mouse brings quiet precision to a whole new level. It's the kind of simplicity that feels instantly natural. The moment you pair it with your iPad Pro M5, it just works. No dongles, no clutter, just smooth wireless freedom. Every click feels soft and deliberate, reducing noise by 90% so you can stay fully immersed, whether you're editing, designing, or studying late at night. Its compact, ambidextrous design fits perfectly in your hand and slips easily into a travel bag, making it ideal for creators and professionals on the move. What makes it stand out is its incredible battery life, lasting up to 18 months with auto sleep efficiency that quietly saves power when you don't even think about it compared to others. It's more refined, more focused, and built for everyday reliability. If you want comfort, silence, and lasting performance in one, this mouse truly delivers calm control. So guys, this was the video about the best iPad Pro M5 mouse 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.